I have a word for you, and the word is new level. In this new level, expect challenges, expect things that are going to intimidate you. They are things that are placed to test you. You are going to be tested. The test is to make sure that you have qualified for that level. Do not expect things to be smooth. On the journey, of course, you may find challenges that are easy to navigate, and challenges that are a bit difficult, that are a bit challenging, that take time. So in this new level, you need to be prepared. And some of you do not know that God has placed you to another level. That the level that you were on last year or a few months ago is not the same level that you are on right now. There is a change in your environment. There is a shift in the spiritual atmosphere that you may not be aware of, but you need to be equipped. Study your environment. When you are promoted at your workplace, at your job, do not be quick to celebrate. Do not be too quick to smile. Study that level, that management. Are they for you or they are against you? Are they with you? Are they the kind of people that will persecute you, that will press you down, or they are the kind of people that will encourage you, that will bring you up? These are the things you need to put into account. You need to know what you are up against. Do not walk on every road that you think leads to success. Study the roads. You need to know this. Life is not like a video game where each level you are given a new life. Where when you die in the video game, you will be given a new life. You are given a second chance. Life is not like that. But with a video game, you can learn something from a video game. That when you look at a video game, that each level that you progress to, the opposition, the enemy, your adversaries become strong. The one that is set before you, the one that you are supposed to defeat, is a strong man, each level. That's why you need to be very careful. God has brought you up, and it's a good thing. And not until you defeat the enemy of that level, you can never progress on to the next level. That's why you find some people in a situation where they have been in that situation for a long time. It's the same situation they were in last year. It's because they have not yet accomplished that level. And for them to move on to another level, they need to deal with that devil. They need to deal with him. And you have what it takes. You have everything. You can do it. It's just maybe because you have not yet used those weapons very well, or there are some things that are still obstructing you, or maybe there are people in your life that are dragging you down. There are situations in your life that have become a hindrance to you. But the more you meditate on God's word, the more you focus on God alone, the more you will become stronger. The more you will be aware of these things. Blessings are your way. Miracles are about to happen. For some of you, it's going to be like never before. It is a new level. It is a new beginning. But expect challenges. Listen, many times when you enter a new year, I know we are past the new year, we're in 2021, but many times when we enter a new year in January, people would expect the year to be a year of prosperity, to be a year of good things, and they never put into account of situations where there will be things that will bring them down to their knees. These things you need to put them into account so that when they come, so that when they are presented with you, when you are presented with calamity, when you are presented with good news, you cannot break down. It can never break you down because you have well prepared yourself and you know that at the end of it, you will be victorious. But somebody who does not know the outcome will give up. Somebody who has not seen the finish line will not finish the race, will collapse in the middle of the race. Just because people people are shouting at you, just because people are discouraging you, does not mean you should give up. Those people could be wrong. In most cases, those people are wrong. Those that say words that are negative about you, they are wrong. But what does God say about you? That is the word that you should take. Well, I hope this word has really been a blessing to you, and I hope you are in a position to prepare for this new level that God has placed you in. And you are able to mature in that area and come out of it victorious. Go ahead and like this video, send in your prayer requests, and let somebody know that God lives. Until next time, be blessed.